Hi guys, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I just wanted to share with you a little card that I've made. I did the graphics myself, so I will share the link for those below, but the rest of the card you can devise to your own liking. Now I've got a nice cup of hot chocolate here with marshmallows and a cookie on top, and I have two mice, one here looking up and the other one hanging off of a candy cane. And I've put it onto a textured background. This background I made a little while ago, and I did it with a texture paste, and I have coloured it with some inks on an ink blender, and I did that after I'd actually put it on the card. I just wanted that extra bit of colour on it afterwards. So I didn't think about adding the extra colour before I stuck it on the card, and then thought, oh whoops. So it just proves that you can do it if you need to. I also added some little glitter glue dots, and I've added some little sparkly stars, and the sentiment is, 'twas the mice before Christmas. And then when you open it up, I have another little mouse lying flat on his back, groaning, why did I have that last marshmallow? So it's just a fun card for those who don't take things too seriously. No instructions for this one, you really don't need them. As I said, I will link the file for the graphics below. Thanks for watching, take care now, bye bye.